Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
This method runs Visual Studio remotely via code server or GitHub Codespaces on a server. You will not run the full native IDE on the phone. Prepare a remote machine with at least 1 GB RAM and 2 CPU cores for reasonable speed. Use a secure connection through HTTPS on port 443 or an SSH tunnel to port 8080. Open your mobile browser and authenticate with a strong password or a GitHub token before accessing your install code server on your remote machine and bind it to port 8080 or proxy to 443. Enable HTTPS using a valid certificate and configure a strong password or SSH key authentication. If you prefer GitHub Codespaces, create a codespace from your repo and open it in the mobile browser. Add 1 GB swap or use a server with at least 1 GB RAM to avoid crashes during builds. Set code server to start on boot for instant access when you power the server back on. Open the Visual Studio Web UI in your mobile browser and sign into sync settings. Install only essential extensions to conserve memory and speed up the interface. Attach a Bluetooth keyboard and use a touch-friendly layout or a 5.5-inch or larger screen for practical editing. Commit changes frequently with Git and push to remote origin to keep your work safe. Take server snapshots or backups before major refactors so you can restore quickly if something breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.